Good morning, it's very cold outside. So today is the day that we're going to install the diesel heater. It's -4. Now I'm going to a friend who's going to help me. You there. Samo! This is the fuel line connection. It should go in here. We're going to put the fuel tank here and then have the fuel line go behind, and then it comes out here.
Tuning. Stel je voor uit z'n twee dezelfde mannen precies. Dus dat is de hoofdstad van de klas.
De air intake, boing boing.
Waarom is dat zo'n bekend dier in Polen? Dat is geen bekend dier. Dat is gewoon op TikTok weer. Ja, een beestje. Een stukje metaal in.
Anders verf je op die uitlaat.
En dan is die ook niet rustig.
En die lichtpijp ook en die plastieke leiding ook.
Nee, dat gaat niet rustig.
Of heb je een borstel? Everything we do is very organized. So the fuel is going to come from the filter to the pump. The pump is facing slightly up, and then this fuel goes outside the van. It comes back in the van under this plate in the diesel heater. This line runs all the way back. It comes out here at the fuel tank, and our trusty helper is always here. Okay, the next step. Let's go.
Knopkutting.
One air duct is going to come out here. The other one is going to the back of the van. So there was a huge amount of smoke coming out. Now it's running, but there are still some air bubbles in the line. We don't know if that's normal. No smoke at all. As you can see, we spilled some fuel. This is from over priming, and that's why we have all the white smoke. Oh, yes. So I am currently underneath my bed, and we're going to install a trash can bin, this thing, because for the moment we're just running around with bags and it's not really that practical. After this I'm still going to install the CEO alarm, because the diesel heater might have a defect. You never know, just for safety. And then I'm going to pack my stuff and we're going on a trip. Don't know where yet, we'll see. But first let's work on this trash bin. Got some support from Samo. I'm actually realizing now that this might be not so a comfortable position to change the bag. But we'll see how the test goes. There is one last thing I want to do before we leave. After installing the diesel heater, I have here this CO alarm, which hopefully will save our lives when the diesel heater has bad combustion. They suggest to put it 30 centimeters from the ceiling and minimum 150 centimeters from the floor, because the density from CO is almost the same as warm air. So that is where the air from the duct of the heater will blow the potential CO. I think this is a good spot.